Hey everybody, Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL. In today's guide, I'm going to show you a simple trick when using the slide transition in Premiere Pro. Okay, so here we are in Premiere. I've already got my image and my text loaded up. As you can see, I've given you the template that I'm using. These are the free on offer basic templates that Adobe provides you for Premiere, and this is the basic lower third graphic. So if you haven't used these graphic templates before, you just select the one that you want, and then you drag and drop into your timeline here. So if I select my graphic template, if you come up to the top right hand corner here, you can adjust the text accordingly, selecting that, and then you can mess about with all the other intricate parts of it as well. I'm going to keep this extremely basic for today's guide, but you can mess around with that to suit your style. Once we've done that, what I want to do is just create a transition. So if we come over to effects, video transitions, slides, and then I've just selected the slide and dragged it onto the beginning and the end of that text. So if we let that run through, it comes in left to right and then leaves the same direction. But what if you wanted that to, once it's come onto the screen, to then leave the same way? It's very, very simple. If you just select that last transition, hit reverse, and then all that does is it plays it in the opposite direction. So it comes in and it leaves. There we go, guys. Very, very quick, simple trick there for you, just to create something different within your edits. Guys, I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that like button if you found this guide useful, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what it is that you're having difficulties with, and I will try and put together a video for you. So guys, take care, and I shall see you soon.